The 2025 Genesis G90 is a luxury sedan that redefines elegance and innovation. This flagship model from Genesis offers a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and powerful performance. With its striking exterior design, the G90 stands out with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and a streamlined silhouette that exudes sophistication. The interior of the G90 is designed to provide an unparalleled luxury experience. High-quality materials such as Nappa leather, open-pore wood trim, and ambient lighting create a first-class atmosphere. The spacious cabin ensures maximum comfort for both drivers and passengers, featuring massaging seats, advanced climate control, and an intuitive infotainment system with a massive touchscreen display. The 2025 Genesis G90 is powered by a refined powertrain, offering a smooth and responsive driving experience. It comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers impressive horsepower and torque, ensuring effortless acceleration and refined handling. An available all-wheel drive system enhances stability and control, making it an excellent choice for all road conditions. One of the standout features of the G90 is its advanced technology suite. The sedan is equipped with a state-of-the-art driver assistance system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for enhanced safety and convenience. The AI-powered voice recognition system allows for seamless interaction with the vehicle's functions, while over-the-air software updates keep the system up to date. The G90 also boasts a premium sound system designed by Bang & Olufsen, delivering an immersive audio experience. The ride quality is exceptional, thanks to an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to road conditions in real time. Whether driving in the city or cruising on the highway, the G90 ensures a quiet and comfortable journey. Genesis has also prioritized sustainability in the 2025 model, incorporating eco-friendly materials and efficient engineering to reduce environmental impact. The fuel efficiency of the G90 is impressive for its class, making it a practical choice for those who seek luxury without compromise. The rear seat experience in the G90 rivals that of high-end limousines, featuring reclining seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Rear passengers also have access to their own touchscreen controls, allowing them to adjust climate settings, entertainment, and seat positioning with ease. The attention to detail in the G90's craftsmanship is evident in every aspect, from the precision stitching on the seats to the thoughtfully designed center console. The digital instrument cluster provides a wealth of information, ensuring the driver stays informed without distraction. The exterior lighting system includes animated welcome lights, adding a touch of theater to the experience. Safety remains a top priority, with Genesis equipping the G90 with an array of protective features, including collision avoidance technology, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features work together to provide peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Genesis G90 is available in multiple trims, each offering unique features and customization options. Buyers can choose from a range of exterior colors and interior finishes, ensuring their G90 reflects their personal style. The sedan's aerodynamic design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also improves efficiency and stability at high speeds. The G90 is a statement of prestige and refinement, appealing to those who appreciate fine craftsmanship and advanced engineering. Genesis continues to push the boundaries of luxury with innovative features such as digital key access, allowing owners to unlock and start their vehicle using their smartphone. The G90's infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity on the go. Its navigation system is enhanced with augmented reality, displaying real-time directions over a live camera feed for intuitive guidance. The luxurious experience extends to the smallest details, including soft close doors, customizable ambient lighting, and a fragrance system that enhances the cabin atmosphere. The 2025 Genesis G90 competes with top luxury sedans from established brands yet stands out with its unique blend of modern design, superior technology, and outstanding value. Owners will appreciate Genesis' customer-focused approach, which includes a concierge service and complimentary maintenance, ensuring a hassle-free ownership experience. The G90 represents the pinnacle of Genesis craftsmanship, making it a top choice for luxury sedan buyers.